Well, this is the last night in Lake of the Woods, and we got Groceries. He was asleep, and he woke me up 2 nights ago and said, "You're snoring. I can't sleep. Too loud." And I kind of was irritated because, well, Groceries is known to snore a bit himself. And now we have this. It is quite loud. Groceries. It's making some noise. So maybe we'll wake him up and tell him that he needs to roll over on his side, as he did to me the other night. So, we're gonna see what happens here. Let me grab his foot and give it a little wiggle. Hey, Johnny. John. You're snoring. So can you, roll over on your side or something? It's loud. We can't sleep.
Very loud.
It is loud. I'm not exaggerating. We're having a hard time falling asleep. John, can you roll over on your side? Well, it didn't exactly go as planned. He immediately fell back to sleep and is snoring once again. John? Groceries? I think we're just gonna have to let him go now. I don't know what to do with him. He's had too much to drink. And this is factual evidence. He doesn't think that he snores. It's okay to wake me up in the middle of the night. It says chainsaw. Oh, geez, you sound terrible, he tells me. Oh my god, I can't sleep. I sleep. He tells me I don't snore ever. Never happened. But this is factual evidence, so we're going to send it to him and tell him that, no, you actually indeed are one snoring bastard. Alright, signing off. Last night at Lake of the Woods. Oh, jeez. Good night, Groceries. Sleep tight.